Hi everybody, it is time for writing. So we are going to review our Fab Five. I'm going to take my glasses off just because that light is bright. So our Fab Five, I don't have my poster, but I have this one. It's the same thing, remember? We want to remember to stretch out our words, write the letters that go with the sounds. We want to use capital at the beginning and for proper nouns. So the beginning gets a capital, and if we have a name or something important, it also gets a capital letter. Remember to use your finger spacing. You can use 2 fingers to put a space. You can use 1 finger. If you have a pencil, you can use that as a spacer or that popsicle stick. I don't have a popsicle stick over here. Then we need to remember to use our punctuation. If our sentence is telling something, I went to the store yesterday. I'm telling you, I end with a period. If I am asking you a question, when is your birthday? That's a question. I would end with a question mark. Or if I am saying something loudly, like yelling, or really excited, then I would put an exclamation. Like if I said, "Look out, there's a car!" I would be yelling, so we would put an exclamation mark. Okay? And our last thing, which is also important, all of these are very important, is to check your work. Always go back, reread what you wrote, and check your work. And yesterday, we went over this paper in writing. This is a good tool to use. It has your Fab Five right here, and then you can keep track if you did it or not, okay? So today, we are going to look at our question. This is what we want to answer, okay? It's an opinion, just like yesterday was, would you rather have a dog or a cat? Today says, would you rather eat an apple or orange? Why? So, I have my paper behind me. I'm going to try my best to write here. It's going to be a little bumpy. I have my spot for my sketch and label. And then I have my lines for my writing. Remember, use the lines to help you. Remember to hold the pencil correctly. Okay? So, our question is, would you rather eat an apple or an orange? And why? That is up to you. You answer it how you feel. Don't copy Mrs. Clausen's because maybe you don't like what I like. Okay? So Mrs. Clausen is going to choose an apple. So you could copy my beginning part of my sentence, and then I want you to sound out, stretch out, and try your best to write the rest, okay? So, on my paper, I'm going to start over here. Let's see, I'll pick this side. And I'm starting at the beginning, so I need a capital letter. And I'm going to put I. So we're going to put a capital I. I think I'm going to have to use my clipboard behind it. And there we go. I. Capital I don't like this. I'm going to use black. Would, and we have would right here, and it's on canvas. Would. So I need my space, so you can use a pencil as a spacer or a finger. Would. I would. Sorry, my back is towards you. there we go. I would rather, right here, rather. So we're gonna write rather. Put your space. I would rather, and it said eat, right here, eat. I would rather eat and now I'm going to draw a line because this part you can copy of mine. Then the next part you need to stretch out and write your own, okay? I would rather eat an apple. That's what I'm going to choose. Apple. Apple. Because, I shouldn't have put that line there because you can go ahead and copy because. That's fine. But we're going to stretch it out. That's right, a B. Because I would rather eat an apple because you're going to write your own thing, don't forget your spaces, dip it, period. I like to dip my apples in, we don't eat peanut butter at my house, but we use sun butter, so I like to dip my apples in sun butter. I know my kids like to dip it in caramel. So I would rather eat an apple because I can dip it. So I'm going to put a line here because I don't want you to copy mine. Why do you like to eat apples? Okay, don't copy Miss Clausen's. Or if you like oranges, why do you like oranges? So you're going to answer this question. Would you rather eat an apple or an orange? And tell us why. And then go to Flipgrid and read your writing to us so we can see you and hear what you would rather eat. Don't forget to do your sketch. I'm going to draw an apple and then I'm going to label it. So I'm just going to do one big apple with a leaf and I'll label it apple. Apple. And there you go. All right, I hope you have fun doing your writing. Have a great morning, and I will see you back for math at 12:20 for our Zoom. All right, bye.